Okay, we're at the Esquimalt and Tahira on Esquimalt Road. We're going over the Johnson Street Bridge as it's the 27th of March 2018, and in a few days they can open up a new bridge. I think it's going to be April 1st they're opening it up. So this is the old Johnson Street Bridge. We're in Victoria, British Columbia, Canada. This bridge has been here forever, like the 1920s I think it was. So here we go. Then we're going to go like around the block and go over the other way. This is good. Johnson Street Bridge. Yes, sir. Now we're going to go back over the bridge the other direction. And this is the way the bus goes. So we got to get in this far lane here on the left, because this lane here on the right, it only goes to Worth Street. It goes to Worth Street. You got to turn right if you're in that lane on the right. So there's only one bridge lane. Only one lane for the bridge. And see the bike lane over there on the right, he has his own exclusive lane now. As you can see, the car on the right there, he has to turn right, but there's been incidents where cars have gone straight. So now we're going over the bridge the other direction. You can see the new bridge on the right. It'll be opening up in a few days. We got to be careful here. So you can sort of see it down on the right hand side, the new bridge, whoever's watching this video. The new bridge is on the left, or sorry, on the right. And we'll be showing you, we'll be doing a video of that once it's done. And you see how this road is sort of changed. It used to go more to the left there before. And that's a new overhead bridge for the cyclists and the pedestrians. So that's going to be good when all that's finished. So I hope you enjoyed this part of the video, and the next part will be the new bridge when it opens up. Thank you. March 27th, 2018.